viewers, today I'll show you my new triple door refrigerator from Whirlpool, Proton World Series. It's a 6-inch active fresh refrigerator. It uses energy less than a CFL and it got a good design about in 2015. It has a 10-year warranty compressor. It shows in a book also. Now I'll show you 3 doors. First door, second door, third door, and so guys, let's start with first compartment, which is my favorite compartment, having so many ice creams, chocolates, etc. Now you can make your eyes here, and whenever you want, you just need to twist this button and you'll get the fresh cubes. Here you can set the temperature whatever you want, normal to max freeze. You can keep your frozen vegetables here. There is a specific ice cream tray which makes your ice cream fresh. Now come to our second compartment where you can put water bottles, juices, etc. You can keep some jams here, your left out food here, fruits here. It is a very small compartment for dairy products, separate compartment for dairy products where you can put paneer, milk, cheese, butter, etc. You can set the temperature here from low to high according to your dairy product need. Here is one more temperature. You can set the temperature from high to low according to you and according to the season also. Now come to our third compartment for vegetables and fruits. You can keep your green vegetables here like this, and it maintains the daily moisture so that these vegetables are always fresh till these 7 days. There is no need to use plastic bags for these green vegetables. So guys, this is my full refrigerator. I'll show you a full view. This refrigerator is worth to buy. I'm using it since last 3 months and enjoying it.